going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. I'm recovering the headliner in my Suburban. I got the front half done and it came out pretty good. The board was pretty straight, but this back one was warped. I'm going to try and show you how warped it was. You can see it's got a pretty big bulge in the board there. So what I've done is put some weights on it, and because that's bulging up over there, this side of it started to go flat, so I put one underneath of it. And now I've got a power steamer, and I'm going to steam this, and we're going to straighten it out as best we can. But then after I get it back in the truck and recovered, I'm going to add another dome light to put a little bit more support here in the middle so that it doesn't sag in the future. So these are for removing wallpaper, but I figured it'd work pretty good for this. I'm just going to go around the edges of where the bulge started. And just steam the cardboard. And it gets pretty hot. The water's boiling. If we can seal it real good, it'll get into the cardboard. Probably should wear some gloves too, because it's hot. Does seal better. Probably penetrate the board a little better. Alright, so to keep that headliner from sagging in the future, it's so big that there's no support really. There's a support going across here. You wouldn't want to drill a hole and mount a dome light in your roof, obviously, or you'll have a leak and screws sticking out. But I got this dome light from a 99 Suburban, and I just held it up there, kind of put it in the center of the roof, and now I'm going to measure back. I know that the other section of the headliner is going to butt up to this one, so I'm going to measure back so I know about where to put the hole. Alright, so it measured 21 inches back, and I'm going to go in the center. And it's going to put the center of that dome light right here at 21 inches. Alright, now that's going to go like that, centered. We're going to go two inches wide. So we're going to go 1 inch in each direction. About 2 inches that way as well. Alright, so that's the hole we need to cut out. We're going to use a new razor blade to do it.